Today we'll be talking about views in Laravel. We have already seen the views in our previous videos, right? So if we look into this home controller, we are returning this view homepage, and we are passing username as data for the homepage. If we look into this homepage, we are just displaying the username inside this page, right? So let me go to this browser, and if I click on refresh, uh, it's giving us this information of username. If I do something like user1, it will print us the user1, right? Now this is our blade file, and these two curly braces prints the data of this username, right? We can also have some if statement and loop inside this blade file. Let's first look into this if statement. To have if statement inside this blade file, we have to start with this alliterative sign, and we can have condition inside here. For example, if username equals to, we print cool name, and we end the if statement with an if, right? If I refresh this page, we have username as user1 as username, so it displays nothing. But if I write dude, the condition gets satisfied because the username is dude and it prints the cool name, right? So if the username is dude, we print the cool name. That's cool. And also we can have this else statement by writing something like this. So this means if the username is dude, it will display us cool name, or for any other name, it will display us not so cool name. If I refresh this page, we have dude, so it's a cool name. For example, if I do user1 or something like that, it will say not so cool name, right? And also we can have some loop inside this blade file. To do that, first let me pass some data of array, right? For example, I'm just passing, giving the number of datas, and to have the loop, it starts with for each, and we are passing data, right? And the loop ends with a and for each, and we can display this number. See, it gets displayed the number, right? This is how we use the for each loop inside this blade file and if statement inside this blade file. And as you know, we pass the data to the view with the help of associative array, and we are accessing the data from here, right? So this is it for